Welcome. I just wanted to let you know about a meditation course that I'm running through St. John's in Bath, although it is on Zoom, so you can attend wherever you live. Each week, we'll be spending an hour on learning different mindfulness techniques, such as having a mindful cup of tea, using mindfulness in our daily lives. So if you want to find out a little bit more about meditation, and in particular mindfulness, which is really being present in this current moment. So if you want to learn how to be more in the now, why not join us? If you're over 55, we've got this meditation session, which is on Mondays, 10 to 11 o'clock, and it's only £3.50. So the details can be found on my website at sandhyacoyle.org, SANDHYA, Coyle, COYLE.org. And previous participants have said it's helped them be a lot more aware of the here and now. It's also made them realise that their thoughts are separate from them, so they don't have to be controlled by the thoughts all the time. And in terms of my meditation practice, I found that it's made me less reactive to situations. I feel like I take things less personally, and I'm able to cope a little bit better with everyday stresses. So if this is for you, if you want to try it out, it's only £3.50. If you're over 55, we do it via Zoom. If you need help from Zoom, myself or St. John's can help you get onto Zoom. If you don't have Zoom, you can actually call from a telephone line as well. So that's an option. You can just listen in. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Bye-bye.